Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the CDN was updated yesterday, and we got a few updates yesterday. So let's go ahead and look at that. So if we go ahead and look at the pet book, and we go over to your team, you can see that if we go and look at a pet, that it will look different. So here is the new layout. We can see this stuff, and you can see that its attacks, you can see its stats, even though that's still the same, but you can press on the attacks and see everything about it. And if you press on the attack, the pet will do the attack, which is very cool. This is going to make it a lot more useful to look at pets and like see if they're good and stuff. And now you can see, or you've been able to see what their charge levels have looked like all the time. But yeah, that is pretty cool. There was another part of this update, and this is a beta update. I'm not sure if the pet book thing is a beta update, but there is a beta update involved in it, and that has to do with pet gear, which I have shown a lot of gear for pets. So this image was shown yesterday by BlazeMaster22879, and as you can see right here, we have gear, relic, and hat. And this will be able to go onto your pet. The relic isn't like a relic that you'd see on your wizard, it's like just an accessory. So now we're going to get into some of the leaks. So here is the UI for the pet gear. So most of this is just having to do with the pet book. Like you can see, you might be able to see this like sort of sparkling. We have the pattern over here, but if we go over here or like down, we can see there's the charged levels, the max charged levels. You can see the tiers, which means that the pet gear is going to have tiers. Here's common, uncommon, epic, rare, or no, legendary. I don't know where rare is, but yeah. And then there's supposed to be some new item. I have no idea what this would be used for, but it doesn't have any name, it's just a question mark, and it's supposed to be an item. And there was a new pet sort of added yesterday, being Stormy Squawks. We have had Tribeaks, or Stormy Tribeak, for a while, but we have not had Stormy Squawks yet. So you can see that it is in the pet book, and I'm not 100% sure if it's obtainable yet, but if you want to, you can go and look for it and let me know if it is. And then finally, we have some stuff to look at in the code, and that is the stuff highlighted in orange. So it says pet gear hat tab hats, pet gear relic tab relics, button remove, like that would be remove the item, button wear, that would be wear the item, label new, that would be just like a new item, elemental boost display today's bonus, so there will be like, that's probably just for the dual stadium. But then get a parent to upgrade, that's not new. Pet gear category, pet gear pet category, relic, pet gear, pet cannot equip. This pet cannot wear gears yet, so I guess that's like if it's not on a high enough level. Dialogue newt pet gear, I have no idea what FTUE means. You got your first piece of pet gear. Let's have one of your pets wear it. It looks great and will make them stronger in battles. So the pet gear can give a heart bonus, it can give a power bonus, it can give a defense bonus, or it can give a speed bonus. I sadly don't have this update on like any of my accounts. I've checked like 6 or 7, maybe even 8, and none of them have it. And yeah, I just looked through all them again, none of them do still. So that is pretty annoying, but that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you do have an account with the pet gear update and you want me to, or you'd be willing to let me use it, send me an email in my about, or DM me on Discord, because I think I know how to get them, but I can't test it unless I have an account. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.